What is Pules X and why is it important for MCV? DEX history. To better understand what Pules X is, we have to look at its original predecessor, Uniswap. Uniswap was one of the first decentralized finance protocols used to exchange tokens on the Ethereum blockchain. Due to its convenience, SushiSwap emerged as the first fork of Uniswap, and it was the first to introduce tokens to DEX. Soon other forks followed up on different smart chain networks. PancakeSwap on Binance Smart Chain, QuickSwap on Polygon, SpookySwap on Phantom, DeFi Kingdoms on Harmony, Trader Joe on Avalanche. What is Pules X? Pules X is the next logical iteration in the rapid evolution of decentralized exchanges. Pules X is a decentralized finance protocol that is used to exchange tokens on the Pulse Chain blockchain. Pules X's native token is the PLSX. Before we delve into Pules X, let's dig into how this is beneficial for MyCryptoView's MCV token. MCV token was originally launched on the Ethereum network back when gas fees were still ridiculously low. But then, due to the astronomical growth of gas fees, we were forced to pause development on the token. But now, thanks to Pulse Chain, a hard fork of the Ethereum blockchain, we're resuming our mission on the Pulse Chain network, mycryptoview.com. After the launch of the energy-efficient and faster Pulse Chain mainnet, you'll be able to stake LP tokens in an MCV farm and earn PMCV tokens at super low transaction fees. What's more is that if you hold MCV tokens at Pulse Chain Snapshot, you'll automatically receive free PMCV. And to top it all off, if you get half of an LP token for free, it only makes sense to use the other half of the LP, especially if the new network is just launching. Now, picking up where we left off. With Pules X, you'll be able to make coin swaps at the lowest fees possible, provide liquidity and earn from DEX fees as well as from yield farming, get the best trades from the vast liquidity and volume. If you hold it, you'll get to vote for DAO and decide which trading pairs will receive yield farming rewards and at what rates. Profit from the deflationary DEX token, which only becomes more rare as 21% of fees buy and burn PLSX. What do you think about Pules X? Comment below and sign up for MyCryptoView if you haven't already. mycryptoview.com.